Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I'm so excited. It is October and it is another episode of Rbsg and it's my month. Yay! I'm so excited I got October. So again, Rbsg is Random Beauty Support Group. This is season 2, episode 5. And again, I'm so excited that I'm in this group with all these fabulous, beautiful women, and it has been so much fun so far. I was so excited to get my word this month because, of course, I wanted to put a spooky twist on the word that I received, being it, the month of October. So the word I got is height, and I instantly thought of heightened senses. And one such heightened sense is fear or being scared. And I asked everyone to do a Halloween look inspired by something that causes you fear or the feeling of being scared. And not too many things actually scare me, but I am afraid of the dark. And I'm afraid of the dark just because anytime you see darkness or are in darkness, you get that sense of somebody watching you. And I don't know if you get that sense, but I do. I always get a sense of someone watching me. And I don't know if I am more sensitive to stuff like that, and it very well could be. I'm just sensitive to those types of feelings or feeling people around me that I can't see. And hopefully it's always like people I love and miss versus something that isn't quite nice. So I'm going to create that feeling of what I think whatever it is watching me looks like. I have my spooky coffee mug today. It says, I like my coffee like I like my magic. I just thought it was cute. What I want to know from all of you is, what is your biggest fear? I want to know your biggest fear. And not necessarily from my group, because I'm going to figure out what yours is when I watch all your videos. But tell me what your biggest fear is. What are you scared of? Or, and it doesn't even have to be something scary. Like, what other things are you, like, that causes you to be afraid? I'm actually afraid of quite a bit of things. You would think I was a big scaredy cat, even though I love Halloween and all things creepy, bizarre, scary. But like the things that cause me anxiety that I don't think I could necessarily put in a picture on my face is like, I'm afraid of elevators. I don't like being in elevators. I don't know what it is. I just do not like being in enclosed spaces where if something happens, I can't get out quick. So elevators always make me nervous. And I know I've mentioned this in other videos that I'm afraid of elevators. I'm not so afraid I won't get in one. Like I've been in plenty of elevators. But I did have one instance when I was in my early 20s. And we were in Las Vegas on we were in the stratosphere. And that's like 300 stories up or something. I don't know. It's an obnoxious amount of stories up. The elevator stopped, like, as we were going down. And everything went black. And, we were in there with a whole bunch of people. So that's another thing. I don't like being in elevators, especially if they're crowded. And in these instances, sometimes they try to put as many people as possible in the elevator. And, I started to have a panic attack. I felt like I couldn't breathe anymore. Like bricks were on my chest. Like it was terrible. My parents were like, it's okay. My brother was there. My boyfriend, who is now my husband, was with us. And it was just scary. So I am terrified of that happening again. And again, I still go in elevators, but if we are in a hotel and the elevator, and we're in a hotel and we're only like on the second floor, I'll take the stairs. Like I will not go in the elevator. Does anyone else have a fear of elevators? I don't know. Maybe I'm just a big baby. I don't know what it is. So here's my video for today. This is what I think kind of lurks in the shadows that we can't see or hear, but are definitely watching us. I will have the playlist down below, so click that link, watch all of these beautiful women's videos. I can't wait to see what everyone has created this month. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as that little notification bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.